Not a note is a short letter.
Okay, what's your answer?
Note.
Okay, what is a note?
Note means a letter.
Oh, there's a letter. What is the note?
Short letter.
A short letter. Okay. What you should do if you are far away from your mom? What you should do if you're far away from your parents?
Write a note for them.
Write a note for them. What kind of note you will write for them?
Uh,
Example, you're far away. You need money. Okay.
Money note.
Honey, no. What you can tell to your mom? Dear mom and dad. Dear mom and dad. What is the one that you can say to mom and daddy if you need something? Because you know that time they don't have cell phone. You know, we don't have cell phone. Maybe sis you encounter that one, eh? And the time, because we far, so I far from Manila city, and my mom is in the province or my grand province. So I write a paper in the paper a note, letter, and I send. I need money, so I ask money for them. So dear grandma, I want to know that I don't have money. Can you please send me money and then airmail like that? Listen? Yeah, they do a note.
Like email.
Email. Now, you can use your cell phone. Yes, your cell phone. Or what is the communication that you use in cell phone? Communication, talk, say something, speak something.
Verb.
What is name of the communication that you talk? Sometimes you call, video call. Telegram. Another one. Chat. FB. What's that?
Facebook.
Okay.
WhatsApp also.
Yeah. WhatsApp and Instagram.
Instagram.
That's what it is. Okay. Communication, cell phone. Sometimes you have a note, letter. If you're far, if you don't have cell phone, you write a letter and send it to airmail. Yeah. And then the airplane will bring it, and then this is the place of letter now. You have a short letter from your mom, and then like that. Okay. We called it note. Okay. Next. Horse.
House
Means.
mean a large, strong animal.
Okay.
For the farm.
For the farm. Another one. Oh.
Right.
For ride. You can ride also in the car. You can ride also in the motorbike, right? You can ride in the bicycle. You can ride by your feet. Okay. Why he make a horse? And horse can help anywhere, right? You see? Horse can help anywhere. If you need something, the horse can help you if you don't have a car. Right? Go. Why? What did the horse do? Only say, nyeh, like that. What did the horse do? Help what? Carry, correct. Help to carry the heavy load, right? Help to carry the heavy load. You understand? Yeah, that's why horse is a strong animal. Another one, animal. Okay, another animal that can help us too. Have a big ears. Away lagi chetra say. Elephant. Okay, elephant. Okay. AC.
AC will
opera, or open the door for her. Why the door? Why the door is helpful for us?
Because the door.
Why the door help us? Why the door is very helpful, important to us? If you have a house, you don't have a door, what will happen?
The robber.
Yes, correct. The robber or somebody that bad people or a thief will go inside your house. What will happen? They will do something or get something inside your house, right?
Yeah.
So it is important. Where you go out and go in?
Door.
From the door, right? So the door is important. If you make a house or you build a house, you need to put the door. If not, even only curtain, but have the door inside. If only curtain, what will happen? Bye. Bad people will go inside and do something, right? Okay. Next on, the last one. Sandy
gave
two more.
Gave a return, repeat for 11.
Okay, Sandy, why report is important?
Because report
Why report is important? Report is say something about what you should. Why you need to why important to report? Example, police need to report an investigation what happened. Okay, if they're not report, they will know what it happened. what happened in the situation. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Go. In the school, why you need to report?
Because have us know something like have a danger
Hmm?
where
Oh. And what is it on? Go ahead, no problem. Go. Go ahead. What is ever in your mind? Tell to teacher Moni. Go. Why you need to report?
because when ladies have a danger,
Mm-hmm.
the
There's a danger. What happened? What you should do? You need to quiet. You need to hide. Keep it. You need to hide it. What?
report
You need to report. So why you need to report? For what?
because
Only one sentence. Only one paragraph. One sentence. You can answer it.
it can help us from the danger.
Yeah, can help you to be aware of the danger or the problem or something that happened in the situation, and the people can know that you are in danger.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, correct. The last one, organ.
My eye is an organ
To help me.
to help me see.
Okay, why your organ is important? Last question.
Because it's
Help me.
help me
To what? Start with letter M.
to
And with
move.
the to move. Yes, correct. Because if your organ don't have your organ, what will happen?
Die.
No, it's not die. Okay, you know somebody donate an organ, right? So left kidney is an organ. When take up your other kidney, it's hard for you already to have babies. For the girl, yeah. For the boy, it's hard for you to make baby. Okay. Also, the kidney, infertile. We call it infertile. You understand? Yeah. So if your one eye take off, can you see well?
No.
If you one eye take off, can you hear it?
No.
If your heart give to the people, finish your body.
Yeah.
Can you still breathe? What happened to you?
Die.
Finish. So that's why very important our organ. Everything in our body we call it
Or
organ. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Finish now.